Hi guys, welcome to day 3 of the Clickbank Quickstart. Today I'm going to talk about all of the little stats that you get from the Clickbank marketplace and how to understand them, and more importantly what they actually mean to you as an affiliate. So there's a lot of these that are misconstrued, especially the gravity, so I hope to explain that to you today so it makes sense and it will help you to pick a product that will actually convert for you. So before we get into it, make sure that you join the challenge if you want to get deeper into this stuff. If you want a complete step-by-step guide to making your first sale with Clickbank, check out the link below. It will take you through to this page, or you can go through to cbprofitsacademy.com/challenge. cbprofitsacademy.com/challenge. What you'll get for free is a 10-day challenge that will go far deeper into everything, like the how-to stuff. So it goes far deeper into picking a product, gives you some selections as well, and also how to send traffic and what you need to have set up. So if you want to make your first sale with Clickbank, or if you're struggling, it maybe you've made your first sale but you're struggling to stay consistent with it, get your free challenge. The link's below. It's cbprofitsacademy.com/challenge. And in this video, day 3 of this sort of mini course I've put together just to get you going and get you moving forward with Clickbank, we're going to have a look at the stats and understanding them. Also check out the other videos I've done for day 1 and day 2 of the quick start as well. Okay, so day 3, yesterday in day 2 we had a look at what makes a good product, what makes a good niche. Okay, so make sure that you check that out, and today I'm going to explain the stats. So number 1, gravity. Okay, this is probably the most misunderstood figure that you actually get with Clickbank on the marketplace. Okay, here's the thing that I'm going to explain. Number 1, high gravity doesn't mean that the product will convert for you. Okay, this is really misconstrued. What normally happens is you see a very popular product because it's got a high gravity, and people assume, well, it's absolutely storming, it's, you know, number 1 in the marketplace, so it must convert really well. That's not necessarily the case, and I'll explain this to you like this, give you an example. I could have, and I've done this, I've had 50 Clickbank products, and some of those Clickbank products had a low gravity but were making really good sales. So how is that possible? Well, gravity is only awarded every time an affiliate makes a sale, and the number increases by 0.1 to 1 for every affiliate sale in the last, I think it's 6 weeks. Don't quote me on that. Do check the Clickbank. I've been using Clickbank since 2004, 2005 time. I think it's 6 weeks they keep that figure. Here's the thing though. If you launched a product on Clickbank, okay? You launched a product on Clickbank and you got your product on Clickbank and you make sales yourself. Okay, so you're doing pay-per-click on Facebook and you start making sales. That gravity wouldn't go up at all. Okay? If an affiliate made a sale for you, that gravity would go up, and it would go up faster if an affiliate made a sale for you very quickly, followed by another affiliate. So let's say I launched it on the marketplace and we got one affiliate sale, and then another one 2 minutes later, then another one 2 minutes later, then another one 2 minutes later, all affiliate sales. That would go up really quickly. Then that number would go up really quick. The reason I'm explaining all of this to you is bear in mind that the gravity can be manipulated. For instance, if you have a big JV list of people and I release a weight loss product and I send it out to all of my partners that have weight loss lists and I say promote this to your list and they do it, the gravity is going to shoot up. Why am I telling you all this? Because it doesn't mean how well the page will convert. Okay, so it's very important. You can have a low gravity product that will convert better than a high gravity one. Here's the thing though, so what can it tell us? It tells us how popular a product is with affiliates. If a product is popular with affiliates, it does suggest that affiliates are making sales and that the product's popular, and it also lends itself to promoting on the product name because it will be very popular on the product name, and it also suggests that yes, affiliates are making money. Okay, so the sales page won't be absolutely trash. if it's got high gravity. So how would I explain this to you in picking your product? High gravity is brilliant if you're going for promoting under the product name, if you're doing pay-per-click under the product name, if you're going to rank a blog and get ranked on the product name, because it's a very popular product. It would work fantastic like that. What you really need to look at is the sales page and the flow and so on, and how much you get per sale. Remember when we went through your goals in day one? That's the sort of thing that you want to look at first. But use gravity as a number to let you know how popular the product is. Okay, that's what that tells you. A couple of other things is, as you can see on the screen here, let's look at this proven one. We can see an average conversion, you get $154 per sale. So that will help you when you're doing your goals. You actually get the initial conversion gives you $148.49. So every sale you get $148.49. $148.49. It also has a recurring rebill, so it's got an upsell in there. You can see that by this little arrow here. Okay, you see where it says pitch plus? That actually means that it's got an upsell, it's got another offer in there. So people buy the first offer and then they will be offered another thing. And we can see, so it's got an upsell in there. But that could just be a one-time charge, okay? But this figure also, this little image tells us recurring billing. Okay, so somewhere in that funnel is a recurring billing, and you'll get $30 a month, $29.64, okay? So things to look for are, in these things, it tells you, it's in English. It tells you one-time billing, so it's got a one-time billing product on there, which is the main sales page. It's also got a recurring billing product in there as well. Okay, it's also got a shippable media. That means that a physical product. Okay, and it's also got a pitch plus and upsell. It could have 2 or 3 upsells as well, and it's also got additional hot link target URLs. That means that you can pick the page you want to send your traffic to as an affiliate. Okay, so main things that I would look at with a product when starting out. Pick your product as we explored yesterday. I'm not going to walk you through that again because we did it yesterday. Once you've got a product that you like the look of, put it in line with your goals. And a couple of things to look at is, number one, how much does it pay you per sale? You can see that here. Okay, recurring is brilliant, not necessary, but it's nice. Okay, if you get recurring billing as an affiliate, you'll get that much per month, or 75% of it, or whatever it is, whatever the commission rate is. Okay, so you can see there, initial conversion, and then recurring rebill, and then gravity as well. Okay, so that gives you all the figures you need to make an assessment on how much you'll get paid, and they're the things that you want to look at. Other things that you want to look at is obviously the sales page and see how it's set up. Also be sure, products that are easier, if they've got an affiliate page, it's normally put on the marketplace. I'll just show you this one so you can actually see. It just makes it a lot easier if they've got an affiliate page. The hottest Clickbank offer, you can see here. Okay, top commission per sale, unlimited potential, and it will normally give you tools to make it easier. But main stats, what I really wanted to explain to you today is the gravity, understanding gravity. Does that mean don't go for high gravity products? No, it means that if you go for a high gravity product, all it's telling you is there's a lot of affiliates promoting it. Does that mean stay away from because of the competition? No, it can actually work in your favor, especially if you get a funnel set up correctly, and especially if you take your time to make sure that you're actually offering value before you try and sell. You can get a huge edge on the competition, and you can promote under the product name. For help with this, check out the link below and I'll show you how to do it. cbprofitsacademy.com/challenge, and it will give you a free course on exactly how to do it, and I've put the link in the description. I hope that makes sense, guys. Let me know if any questions about reading the stats on Clickbank or picking a product in general. Hope you're enjoying the course. Do subscribe if you like it, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.